Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the kitchen to create something truly delightful, savory pork stuffed eggplant rolls. Let's jump right in. Start by placing minced pork in a bowl. Chop up scallions and garlic finely, then add them to the meat. Now introduce ginger powder, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, black pepper, and cracking an egg. Give it a good mix and let it marinate for a tantalizing 10 minutes. Grab that scraper and skillfully slice the plant. Lay out a generous amount of the seasoned minced meat on each slice, then roll up the eggplant, securing that savory goodness inside. Heat up some oil in a pan and gently fry those eggplant rolls over low heat until they achieve a beautiful golden brown hue. Once done, carefully remove them and let any excess oil drip away. And there you have it. The delicious savory pork stuffed eggplant rolls are ready to be enjoyed. Give this recipe a go and I can't wait to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next one.